Hello friends, today's topic markets stuck in a narrow range. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society. Global stock markets has been rallying since the beginning of the year with the hope of US Federal Reserve cutting interest rates. At the beginning of the year, the inflation in US was falling and hence the US Federal Reserve hinted that it would cut the interest rates thrice in the second half of 2024. However, in March, the inflation figures in US was higher than expected. Hence, the US Federal Reserve is likely to postpone the interest rate cuts till maybe the end of the year. The Federal Reserve meeting is going on currently and the decision will be announced later tonight. It is most likely that the interest rates will be kept unchanged in US. Already, the US markets fell by 1.5 to 2% yesterday night and Asian European markets were quite flat today. Indian markets had a holiday today, but it will react to the US Federal Reserve news tomorrow. Nifty has been moving in the same range for more than 2 months now. Whenever there is a positive news and the markets rise, some negative news comes up and pushes markets lower again. Nifty has moved between the 22,000 and 22,500 mark for the most of the last 2 months. On some occasions, it has gone to 22,700 and it has fallen to 21,800 to 21,900 once or twice. So it's very narrow range of 2% up and down. Also, since the elections are going on in India, investors, especially FIIs, are not expected to invest major amounts in Indian stock markets until the election results are announced. So as of now, Indian markets are behaving like a seesaw. When markets are moving somewhat sideways, it is not very good for the short-term trades. However, such a situation is good for long-term investors since they can invest in shares at similar rates for a few months. Nifty had touched the new intraday lifetime high of 22,783 yesterday. However, it could not close at a new high. It fell to 22,605. Unless there is any positive announcement from the US Federal Reserve tonight, Indian markets will be slightly weak tomorrow based on the current indications. Actually, in this time's election, there is almost no uncertainty of who will form the new government. In spite of this, markets have been volatile the last 1 month especially. You can imagine how volatile markets might have been in the past when there was uncertainty on which party would get the majority and who would form the next Indian government. Due to the general positive sentiment in Indian stock markets, plenty of companies are launching IPOs successfully and they are even listing at a premium to their issue price. But many of them will not be able to sustain the current stock price when there is market weakness or when the positive sentiment towards such small companies will become negative. So be careful when investing in IPOs and in other small companies which may look very attractive now, but their future performance would be uncertain. Analysts are expecting Indian markets to continue this sideways movement until 4th June. At that time, market is expected to take a particular direction and could break out or break down the current range. End of the video, here is a question. What do you prefer as a long-term investor? There are 3 choices. A. Uptrend. B. Sideways movement. C. Downtrend. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.